Hello everyone, welcome to Pepcoding, and the problem that we'll be discussing today is tilt of a binary tree. Let's see what the question says. Okay, so what is tilt of a binary tree? Tilt of a binary tree is sum of all the, see, let's say it this way, 412. The sum of, absolute sum of its left sum and right sum is tilt of 12. And similarly, we have to find tilt of 50. So tilt is the absolute difference of its left sum and right sum. Okay, so we'll just see. 412, its left sum is 0, right sum is 0, and the tilt is the difference, absolute difference of left sum and right sum. So for 412, the tilt is 0. Okay, now 437, the absolute left, so the left sum and right sum is 0 and 0, and their absolute difference will be 0, right? So tilt will be 0. Now 425, its left sum is 12, right sum is 37, and tilt will be their absolute difference. So tilt of 25 will be 37 minus 12, which is 15. No, which is 25, sorry, right? So 425 tilt is 25. That is the absolute difference of their left and right side. Now 460, the tilt will be 0. 480, tilt will be 0. 475, tilt will be the absolute difference of its left sum. Left sum is 60, right sum is 80. So 20. 20 is tilt for 75. Now for 50, what is the left sum? Left sum is 37 plus 12 plus 25. So it is 7, 7, 14, 1, 4, 6, 4, 5, 6, 7. 74. Left sum, right sum is 60 plus 80 is, it is 140 and 75. So it will be 215, I guess, right? Yes, it will be 1215. So for 50, tilt will be the absolute difference of 215 and 74, which is 1 and 7 from, it is 144, I guess. Sorry, 141. So this is the tilt. So tilt is the absolute difference, sum of the absolute difference of their left and right subtree. Let's just code this and then see what is happening. Also, this is a very important question of travel and change. We'll change in tilt, but we are going to calculate sum. Let's see. We are having a static variable tilt. Okay. What we'll do is, okay, we need left sum. So it will be tilt node dot left. We need right sum, tilt node dot right, and we'll have a local tilt variable which is going to store the absolute difference of left sum and right sum, right? And tilt is going to store all these tilt, local tilt of the tree for every node, right? Now we'll have a variable total sum where we'll store left sum plus right sum plus node dot data, and we'll return this value. So in this function, what we are doing is we are calculating sum, but we are making change in tilt. Now let's write the base case, that is if node is equal null, it is going to return 0, right? Let's try to run this. I hope it works. Yeah, let's submit this. Yeah, it is working. Now let's just analyze what is happening here. Okay, we'll just bring the code and we'll analyze it. Let me clear my screen a bit so that it is not as messy as it is right now. Okay. I hope this is visible. Okay. Let's draw the tree again. So the tree was 50, 25, 12. Let's take 37 only. 75, 60, 80. This is our tree. So what we are doing is we are calculating left sum, right sum. Then we are calculating the absolute tilt, local tilt. That is the absolute difference of left sum and right sum. And then we are storing it in tilt. So in this question, we are updating the tilt, but we are calculating the sum. So this is a very good problem where we see that we are calculating something else and we are, changing some other value and returning that. Okay. So initially we will be at 50. So we'll go to its left. Now 25 is not null, we'll go to its left. 12 is not null, we'll go to its left. Now node is null, it will return 0. The left of 12 has returned 0, so left sum for 12 is 0. Now we'll try to access the right. So the right is also null, it will also return 0. So the left sum and the right sum of 12 is 0. And the local tilt will store the absolute difference of left sum and right sum. So the local tilt for 12 is 0. And we'll add the 0 to tilt. Okay. Now total sum is equals to left sum, which is 0, right sum, which is 0, plus node dot data, which is 12. Okay. So for 12, our left work, right work has been done. And now we are returning the sum of left side of 25. That is, for 25, the left sum is 12. Okay, for 25, left sum has been calculated. Now we'll try to access its right sum. We'll go to its right. Now we'll access its left. It will return 0. Right, 0. So the local tilt for 37 is 0. And we'll add this 0 to the tilt. So the tilt is still 0. Right? Then we'll add this 37 to left sum and right sum and we'll return it to 25. So for 25, its right sum is 37. Now we'll calculate the local tilt for 25. So the local tilt for 25 will be absolute difference of 12 and 37, which is, it will be 25, right? So for 25, local tilt is 25 and we'll add this local tilt to our tilt. Our tilt is still holding 0, so we'll add 25 to it. Now tilt becomes 25. Now for 50, what we are going to return? We are going to return 12 plus 37 plus 25. That is the sum of its left subtree. Right? So the total of 12, 37 and 25 will be 74. So the left sum. Okay, let me clear it a bit. Now for 50, left sum is 74. And the tilt till 25 we have calculated, and the tilt for 25 was 25. In the similar way, we'll calculate 60 tilt, 80 tilt, we'll add it to the tilt, we'll calculate for 75, and then we'll do the same thing for the right side as well, and we'll do the final work. Okay, so I'll just calculate it and I'll be right back. Okay, so tilt till 25 was 25 and the left sum for 50 was 74. Now we'll go to the right side. Tilt for 60 is 0, so we'll add 0 to 25, no change. Tilt for 80 is 0, we'll add 0 to 25, no change. Now for 75, the tilt will be 20. That is absolute sum of 60, absolute difference of 60 and 80, which is 20. So we'll add 20 to 25. Now it becomes 45. Now the tilt till here is 45. That is tilt of 25 plus tilt of 75. Now the right sum of 50, left sum of 50 was 74 and the right sum of 50 is 215. Now the absolute difference of 215 and 74 is 1, and I guess it is 141. Okay. And our tilt was 45. We'll add 141 to 45. So it will be 6, 8, 1. So the tilt of this binary tree is 186. Now you can clearly see that we were calculating the left sum and right sum. That is, we were, for a particular node, we were calculating the sum of its left and right subtree, and then we were finding its absolute difference and adding it to the tilt. I hope this problem is clear to you guys. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please like and share. Thank you.